Section 8 Housing, Employment, Social Security, and Health. Article 118 A. Complementary Medicine. 118 B. Research on Human Beings. Number 1. The Confederation shall legislate on research on human beings where this is required, in order to protect their dignity and privacy. In doing so, it shall preserve the freedom to conduct research and shall take account of the importance of research to health and society. Number 2. The Confederation shall adhere to the following principles in relation to biological and medical research involving human beings. A. It is a requirement for any research project that the participants or their legal representatives have given their informed consent. The law may provide for exceptions. A refusal is binding in every case. Article 119. Reproductive medicine and gene technology involving human beings. Number 1. Human beings shall be protected against the misuse of reproductive medicine and gene technology. Number 2. The Confederation shall legislate on the use of human reproductive and genetic material. In doing so, it shall ensure the protection of human dignity, privacy, and the family, and shall adhere in particular to the following principles. B. Non-human reproductive and genetic material may neither be introduced into nor combined with human reproductive material. D. The donation of embryos and all forms of surrogate motherhood are unlawful. G. Every person shall have access to data relating to their ancestry. Article 119 A. Transplant medicine. Article 120 Non-human gene technology. Number 1. Human beings and their environment shall be protected against the misuse of gene technology. Number 2. The Confederation shall legislate on the use of reproductive and genetic material from animals, plants, and other organisms. In doing so, it shall take account of the dignity of living beings as well as the safety of human beings and the environment, and shall protect the genetic diversity of animal and plant species. Article 121 Legislation on foreign nationals and asylum. Number 1. The Confederation is responsible for legislation on entry to and exit from Switzerland, the residence and the permanent settlement of foreign nationals, and on the granting of asylum. Number 2. Foreign nationals may be expelled from Switzerland if they pose a risk to the security of the country. Number 3. Irrespective of the status under the law on foreign nationals shall lose their right of residence and all other legal rights to remain in Switzerland if they A. Are convicted with legal binding effect of an offense of international homicide, rape, or any other serious sexual offense, any other violent offense such as robbery, the offenses of trafficking in human beings or in drugs or in burglary offense, or B. Have improperly claimed social insurance or social assistance benefits. 4. The legislature shall define the offense covered by paragraph 3 in more detail. It may add additional offenses. Number 5. Foreign nationals who lose the right of residence and all other legal rights to remain in Switzerland in accordance with paragraphs 3 and 4 must be deported from Switzerland by the competent authority and must be made subject to a ban on entry of from 5 to 15 years In the event of re-offending, the ban on entry is for 20 years. 6. Any person who fails to comply with the ban on entry or otherwise enters Switzerland illegally commits an offense. The legislature shall issue the relevant provisions. Article 121. A. Control of immigration. Number 1. Switzerland shall control the immigration of foreign nationals autonomously. Number 3. The annual quantitative limits and quotas for foreign nationals in gainful employment. Number 3. The annual quantitative limits and quotas for foreign nationals in gainful employment must be determined according to Switzerland's general economic interests, while giving priority to Swiss citizens. The limits and quotas must include cross-border commuters. The decisive criteria for granting residence permits are primarily an application from an employer, ability to integrance, and adequate independent means of subsistence, adopted by the popular vote on 19 February 2014. Section 10. Civil Law, Criminal Law, Weights and Measures. Article 122. Civil Law. Article 123. Criminal Law. Article 123A. If a sex offender or violent offender is regarded in the reports required for the sentencing as being extremely dangerous, and his or her condition assessed as untreatable, he or she must be incarcerated until the end of his or her life, due to the high risk of re-offending. Early release and release on temporary license are not permitted. Adopted by the popular vote on 18 February 2004.